Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the view mode functions on the PDF Expert application, such as the direction of scrolling. So you can choose the vertical or horizontal scroll option. You can set it to be a 2-page document, and you can also select the brightness and the background color of your PDF file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the My Files section down below, and then select a document that you have already created, or you can create a new one as well. After that, tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on View Settings, which is the first option. As you can see, in the first section you can select the from these three options whether you would like it to be vertical scroll, horizontal scroll, or 2-page document. If you want to show the first page alone, tap on this button. You can also adjust the brightness of the screen on this slide, and also the background color of the text. Here you can see how it changes. You can also turn on the crop mode. As you can see, it is disabled now because the content bounds cannot be detected in this current document, but otherwise you can turn it on. You can also keep your iPhone awake and use the text-to-speech option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.